Alright, job of the day. We are changing out this plug or remote for this dump trailer. And this one won't go in here. So that's just gonna be deleted, and it's got a magnet on it so it'll stick inside this box. But I think the wiring's the same. What we got? Green, black, and white. Green, black, and white. Perfect. Alright, let's get this thing wired up. Looks like green goes to power here, so I'm just gonna cut this. Good. And what do I need? 7/16. 7/16. We got white off. I'm just gonna keep the wires connected to how they are so I don't mess up. Strip the wiring. Good. Green in. Got white to this post. Lock washer and nut. Okay, now I gotta get to the down coil. That's smaller. What is that? I ended up just cutting the wire because I didn't want to take that nut off. I didn't want to strip anything on the down coil. So I'm just gonna strip this and wire it in. And we'll test everything, make sure it works. So far it's colored color, but hope it doesn't change. Good. Where's the end of my remote? Alright, we're good. Let's clean everything up. Oh man. Up is down, down is up. Why? Wonder if it's... Alright, it was just swapping. I swapped, black was here and white was here. I just swapped them. Now it's working. Up is up and down is loud and scary. Alright, we're good. Let's put this back together. Shrink wrap butt connectors. Put the waterproofing seal back on. That was an easy fix. Seal is back on. Good. Let's shrink wrap butt connectors. Everything's working. This one's all done. I zip tied his excess wiring up. So that's good. Magnets to the side. Everything's shrunk wrap. Everything's good. Goes up and down. Close this, close that. This one's done. I'm on to the next.